Plastic Collective is all about system change. We are all about changing behaviours, changing systems, improving the world through education, training, consultancy, and engaging and collaborating with all different groups. I would say the heart and soul of Plastic Collective is all about collaboration. We work with all industry groups, grassroots communities, remote communities, island communities, corporates, brands. We work with everybody. It's not about competition, it's about collaboration. We have to work together with all sectors of society, bringing everyone together to solve this problem, because that's what it's going to take to make this a healthy, cleaner world for everybody. So we're not just reducing waste, we're changing systems from the take, make, dispose, the linear system, to a circular economy, which involves eliminating toxic plastics, substituting unsustainable plastics, and recycling the ones that can be recycled. With these three elements involved, we can bring in a circular economy, change the way people do things, and change the whole linear society of take, make, and dispose. My vision for the future is that we have clean seas. We have healthy communities, eliminate plastic pollution, and there's no plastics entering the seas. That's my dream for the future. If you want to be part of the solution, come and join us and work with us to help make a change in this world.